Hello everyone, it's singing time. Yes, cool, excellent, marvellous. Today we are singing a song that was requested by the very wonderful Ms Solomou, because Ms Solomou said, David, I really like it when you sing Knees Up Mother Brown. So will you sing Knees Up Mother Brown with everyone? So that's what we're doing. Year 2, you've been learning this one this year anyway. Year 3, you know this a little bit if you cast your mind back. And Year 1, do you know what? You're learning a fantastic, wonderful tune. So I'll teach it to you now. There we go. We're going to start with a warm-up, and then we will learn the song with some copying, and then run out of fingers, and then we'll sing the song all together, and it'll be brilliant. Okay, quick warm-up. We warm up 3 things. What 3 things do we warm up? Let me try and remember. We warm up... Yes! Good! We warm up our bodies, our voices, and our brains. First warm-up. Bodies. Can you please be standing up? I'm even going to stand up too. You can't even see my face. But have a little bounce. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce faster. Bounce, 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 bounce. Are you doing it? Bounce, 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 bounce. Run on the spot. Run on the spot this way. Run on the spot this way. Oh, shake your hands out. Shake them up high, shake them down low. Shake them high, shake them down low. To the side, 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 to the side. Round in circles. Faster in circles. Faster in circles. Okay. Body warmed up. Let's warm up our voices. First of all, our breathing. Ooh, let's brush our teeth. I love that noise. You make it too. Big drink of water. One more time. Let's get our face ready for singing. Stretchy face, sad noise. Make a very sad noise. Really hope you're doing this too. Join in, please. Good. Let's make some gentle high sounds and low sounds. Can you go just on a v, a nice buzzy v sound, like a V? V. We're gonna go v. We're gonna go v between these 2 notes. Can you go v? Here we go. And then we go one higher. V. Your turn. Now can you make it slidey? So you go. You try it. And a higher one, let's do it together, breathe. Let's do a higher one, breathe together, do it with me. And take a breath. Take a breath. We're getting higher now, so just relax, relax, relax. Don't strain, don't shout, just do it really softly, really gently, just floating with your eyebrows. Ready, steady, here we go. It should really tickle your face. Ready, here we go. If you can, do one more. Do one more. Here we go. Good, we're nice and warmed up. Let's warm up our down voices now. We're going to go VR. So a nice buzzy V with a smiley, smiley face. And then you just relax your jaw and you go, just really loose. VR. You try it. VR. And VR goes down. It goes VR. Oh, I can't do it that low. VR goes down. It goes VR. You try it. VR. Nice slow slide. Here we go. VR. Next one. VR. Just softly. VR. 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 We're kind of getting towards the bottom of your voice now. If you can't go any lower, that's fine. If you can do the next one really softly, don't hurt yourself, just gently. Me. Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. V, R. One more, here we go. V, R. That's enough. Really good. Right, we're ready to learn the song. Knees Up Mother Brown is a dancing song. We're telling Mother Brown that we want her to dance. So first of all, we say, knees up Mother Brown, knees up Mother Brown. And you need to be quite insistent, like you mean it. So it goes, I'll sing it, you sing it back. We go, knees up Mother Brown, knees up Mother Brown. You'll go, knees up Mother Brown, knees up Mother Brown. Then she's got to dance under the table. So we say, under the table you must go. E-I-E-I-E-I-O. 1, 2, 3, 4. Under the table you must go. E-I-E-I-E-I-O. Very good. If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. It's a bit scary. It's a bit mean. It's a bit silly. If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. You'll go. If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. And do you know what? Let's put a little ow at the end. I'll saw your legs right off. Ow! Ready? If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. Ow! 1, 2, 3, 4. If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. Ow! It's good, isn't it? Then we say, knees up, don't get the breeze up. Knees up, Mother Brown. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees up, don't get the breeze up. Knees up, Mother Brown. From the beginning, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Knees up, Mother Brown. Knees up, Mother Brown. Under the table you must go. E-I-E-I-E-I-O. If I catch you bending, if I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. Ow! Knees up, don't get the breeze up. Knees up, Mother Brown. Good. The second half of the song, we need to be sort of a bit teasy, a bit mean. In the olden days, this would be when the audience would then sort of sing back to the singer. And we're going to go, oh my, what a rotten song. What a rotten song. What a rotten song. It's like you're telling me my song is really rotten. It's really rubbish. It's okay, I won't take it seriously. So, you can sing, oh my, what a rotten song. You ready? It goes, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my, what a rotten song. What a rotten song. What a rotten song. Good. And then we do it again. We go, oh my, what a rotten song, and what a rotten singer too. It goes, oh my, what a rotten song, and what a rotten singer too. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my, what a rotten song, and what a rotten singer too. And at the end, can we do a big teasy meh? So it goes, what a rotten singer too. Meh. Like that. Meh. Good. That's the whole thing. Can you do it in your best sort of... It's not really sort of a nice, pretty, gentle song. It's like a sort of kind of song. Does that make sense? I hope it makes sense. So it's not going to be knees up, Mother Brown, knees up, Mother... No. Knees up, Mother Brown, knees up, Mother Brown. Like that. You ready? Let's do the whole thing. But you know what? If I'm going to sing this whole thing, I feel like I need a helper. I feel like on my own it will be too much hard work. Let me see if I can go and get someone to help me magically. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes.
Big strong voice?
Yes.
Here we go. Here we go! Knees up, Mother Brown. Knees up, Mother Brown. Under the table you must go. E-I-E-I-E-I-O. If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. Ow! Knees up, don't get the breeze up. Knees up, Mother Brown. Oh my, what a rotten song. What a rotten song. What a rotten song. Oh my, what a rotten song. And what a rotten singer too. And again, knees up, Mother Brown. Knees up, Mother Brown. Under the table you must go. E-I-E-I-E-I-O. If I catch you bending, I'll saw your legs right off. Knees up, don't get the breeze up. Knees up, Mother Brown. Here we go. Oh my, what a rotten song. What a rotten song, what a rotten song. Oh my, what a rotten song, and what a rotten singer too. That was awesome. Give me a 5. Yes, give me a 10. That's all we have time for today. Thank you to my helper Bethan. Wasn't she good? She was fantastic. Visit our school music blog, www.music@rushmore.blogspot.com, to see all the other old singing assembly videos and other musical challenges. My next job is going to be putting up examples of other people's work that they've sent to me. So do send in some music you've been making if you've got some things you want me to put on the blog. Anything else to say? Guys, keep singing. Singing is good. You're good. You're more than good. You're fantastic. You're marvellous. You're brilliant. Miss you guys. Bye.